I am an EU citizen living in Wales. What should I do before Brexit? Is there help available? If you're an EU, EEA or Swiss citizen, you and your family must apply to the EU settlement scheme if you wish to continue staying in the UK legally. So, have you applied yet? And if you haven't, what should you do now? The deadline to apply is the 30th of June 2021. The application process is done completely online. You can visit the UK government page for more information. www.gov.uk/EU settled status. If your application is successful, you'll receive a notification of status which can be either settled or pre-settled, depending on your previous history. The digital first process can be a bit of an issue for some people, so if you live in Wales, there is help available. There are many organisations that can help you with your EU settlement scheme application, be it through a telephone hotline, a support email system, help with form filling and translation of documents, or even one-to-one face-to-face advice. The Royal Association for Deaf People, for example, can offer BSL webcam appointments to help. Look out for all the services provided by the Welsh Government's EU Immigration Advice Partners by clicking on the www.eusswales.com website. So how difficult is the application process? What should I expect? What if I run into problems? Charles Whitmore from the Brexit Forum Cymru sheds some light on the issue.
First, it's really important that you apply to the settlement scheme because it's necessary to ensure that you have legal residency rights in the UK after the deadline of the 30th of June 2021. Now, the process is relatively straightforward and simple, but if you have any digital access barriers, it could prove difficult. So for example, the system isn't always picking up on everyone's full residency records, which means that you're not necessarily meeting the 5-year requirements, even if you have 5 years of residence in the UK. I think it's important that if you do have those requirements and it only gives you pre-settled status, don't accept that, reach out for help and challenge it to get the status that you're fully entitled to. It's a relatively straightforward application process that's done via an app that checks both your residency and your identity. If you can't use an app because you don't have a smartphone or you can't borrow one, then you can send in your documents or visit a scanning centre, but this isn't ideal for everyone. So the good news is that we have a variety of organisations in Wales that can help you with this process. Just visit eusswales.com to look at the list and reach out to the organisation you think is most appropriate to help you. There's also a call centre you can call and a We Are digital service that can help you. So please do reach out to help, don't struggle with the process because it's really important that you get the rights that you're entitled to.
If you want to know more about what is required to stay in the UK after Brexit, follow the links to the list of resources in the description box below and like and share this video on your social media channels.